The village of Davča in the Silca Valley is not only known as the most spread-out village in Slovenia, but is also recognized for its natural and cultural heritage. Among other things, its inhabitants are among the few who still preserve the tradition of flax cultivation and processing in Slovenia. To maintain and pass on this knowledge and these skills, we organized a series of meetings and practical workshops together with members of the Davča Tourist Association between June 2024 and February 2025. Throughout these sessions, we covered all phases of flax processing, from sowing to weaving hand-spun flax yarn. Flax is an annual plant with blue flowers cultivated for its fibers and seeds. Flax yarn is used to make ropes and linen fabric, while flax seeds produce oil that was historically used for oil lamps and is still widely utilized today in food, traditional medicine, and in the production of varnish and oil paints.
Seme se je sejalo od koncu aprila, začetek maja. Pulil se je pa potem tam sredi septembra, ko so bile te cvetki ratale bunkice in so bile zlato rumene. Potem se je pa to sušil en mesec, potem se ga je pa obtolklo, da smo dobili seme, smo ločili od teh lanilnih snopkov. Seme se je shranilo za naslednji let, potem smo ga pa dali hoditi. To se je pol hodilo 3 tedne do enega meseca. Potem se je pa to še sušil in je to pol čakali na zimo, na slabo vreme, na sneg, da so pol to gospodar dal v to laneno jamo. In potem je to šlo na trlice, da so pol trice utrle.
Breaking was traditionally considered an exclusively female task in Slovenia. Women used wooden scissor-like tools called trlice to break flax stalks, removing the woody parts to prepare the fiber. Despite being a physically demanding job, breaking was one of the most popular social gatherings in local communities. Even today, it is associated with many customs, traditions, games, music, and dance. An important step in preparing flax fiber is combing, which removes remaining impurities and sorts fiber quality. The shorter fibers left on the comb's teeth are called toe flax, suitable for coarser yarn. The longest, smoothest, long-line flax fibers are bundled into a povesmo. The yarn is then spun on a spinning wheel. Spinning, which primarily took place in winter, was a communal activity and an opportunity for socializing, often accompanied by songs and storytelling. The spun yarn is wound into skeins using a swift, then washed and then rewound into balls, preparing it for weaving on the loom. The final stage is weaving flax yarn. The yarn must be warped onto a loom, which comes in various types and sizes. The warp threads, vertical threads, are set up, while the weft threads, horizontal threads, are woven in using a weaving shuttle to create linen fabric. During the weaving workshop, participants learned basic weaving techniques using the yarn they had produced in previous sessions.